The Father Moriarty Award honors an extraordinary contribution by a pro bono attorney to our Lawyers Committee Asylum Project. The Asylum Project helps refugees from all over the world who are fleeing persecution, torture, and it helps refugees find safe haven in this country. Yuval Miller has been a passionate advocate for human rights. He's taken extraordinary efforts to win safe haven for his asylum clients.
I've been interested in human rights issues and social justice issues for as far back as I can remember. I worked on behalf of post 9/11 detainees in cases that were before the Supreme Court and represented Roma in the European Court of Human Rights. In one of LCCR's asylum cases, my asylum client spoke out on the TV news against an organization that was persecuting the populace and demanded justice, demanded that the authorities do something about the situation in that country. Nobody believed her. Nobody believed that she had spoken out on the news. Munger, Tolson Olson and I enthusiastically hired an investigator to go down to the country in question and get the tape from the TV station.
The videotape would never have been tracked down without Yuval's unyielding belief in his client and his willingness to go above and beyond to do whatever it took to prove his client's case. Yuval also undertook incredible efforts on behalf of an African dissident. Yuval arranged for Reporters Without Borders and a group called the Committee to Protect Journalists to write passionate letters on behalf of his client. And he also arranged for his client's former editor, who had been exiled to Canada, to testify from the U.S. consulate in Canada in support of the case. It was because of these efforts that after 3 days of hearings, the judge granted asylum to Yuval's client.
In the face of persecution, some people stand up for principle, stand up for what's right, and brave persecution to do what's right. They do so because they have a fundamental faith in the goodness of humanity. I want to make sure in the work that I do, that I justify and honor that faith.
This is what one of Yuval's clients said about him. Yuval is not just an attorney, he is my brother. I feel truly blessed for everything that he's done.
I certainly will continue to use my career as a lawyer to pursue social justice in any way possible. I think that it's important that this award serve as a draw for people to do more pro bono work and for people who are not working at law firms to recognize that there are firms out there like Munger who are willing to support you in doing this very important work.
Thank you, Yuval, for the great work that you've done. You've made a tremendous difference in the lives of your clients. You've helped save lives, and you've made all the difference, and we thank you for the great work and the leadership that you've shown.